Alright. The original FlashForge Creator Pro. My first printer. Today, upgrading. Filament runout sensor is one thing that this printer doesn't have that it needs. Like, it's just nice. Anyway, first test here. Printer's doing its thing. Blah, 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 blah. Printing. So we've got it installed. The EEPROM has been updated. Give it another minute here. There's no filament loaded, it's just kind of doing its thing because I was impatient and wanted to play with the new upgrade. It's a terrible view, isn't it? Alright. Are you watching? Oh, sweet. All right, let's put that back in real quick. Oh, it's a happy printer again. I forgot it beeped. I had that turned off for years. All right, unpause. Will it do it? Oh, come on! Boom! Awesome. Now I just got to figure out where to mount this little doodad, and yeah, sweet! Bringing the OG Creator Pro up into, I don't know, more recenter times for a printer. Anyway, that's it. This guy, yeah, alright. Alright, I'll leave a link to the sensor for anyone else who's got a Pro or a Cutie, and yeah, get yourself a filament runout sensor. Super easy to install. Works great.